Okay, so the differences between the marine system and the freshwater system is that the freshwater has 3 zones, which are limnetic, profundal, and littoral. So limnetic is an open water area that is well lit and is dominated by plankton, which is like bacteria that kind of eats everything. And profundal is the deepest area. This zone is much colder and has lower oxygen than the other 2 zones. And the littoral zone is the closest to the shore. This water zone is shallow, which allows sunlight to reach the bottom. Many producers such as aquatic plants and algae live here. So there's many consumers also inhabit that zone, including frogs, turtles, worms, and fish, and biotic factors, including sand and rocks. And the marine system, sorry, I didn't put the thing, has 5 layers, which is hemipelagic zone, mesopelagic zone, bathypelagic zone, abyssopelagic zone, and hadopelagic zone. So hemipelagic zone is the most, it's like the one that you walk on, like, you know, like you're at the beach, like you just go in there. Yeah, that's how it is. The light like enters there more than the rest of them. It's the sunlight zone, and the heat is responsible for the wide range of temperature that occur in this zone. The next one is mesopelagic zone, which is the twilight zone. So like kind of both, like the sunset and like the moonlight. The light penetrates this depth is extremely faint, so there's like not any light at all. And the bathypelagic zone is like getting deeper. Sorry, that's my dog barking, if you can hear. It's like the next deeper zone. The only visible light is produced by the creatures themselves, which is like bioluminescent creatures. They like light up, like glow in the dark, but like not really. And then there's abyssopelagic zone. The water temperature is like freezing, like you could probably die. And the water pressure at this depth reaches 5,850 pounds per square inch. Sperm whales can dive into like that deep to get just food. Like literally that's all. I don't know why they do that. It's like the waste of time. Anyways, red or black like creatures live there because like the lack of light. So that's that. And the hadopelagic, which is like the deepest part of the ocean. They're found in deep trenches and canyons. The temperature of the water is above freezing and the pressure is 8 tons per square inch. Though life can still be found in this, which is like impossible because like it's so deep. But yeah, that's the difference between the freshwater and the marine systems. Okay.